Today I got my drill and I want to go over it a little bit of what you get. This is a 3-reel from Rockwell. It comes with 2 batteries. It's a nice charger here. This turns green once the battery is charged. What's cool about this is that it's really small, fairly small. And I like the side here that it has comes with a USB plug, so you can charge pretty much anything that uses USB. One thing I would like on this, I'm just going over it, but so this is not a real review since I haven't quite used it, but I'll go over the drill itself for now. The charger, it would have been nice if you could have put 2 batteries to charge. I mean, the space is there. It would have been really nice to have that. It doesn't. It's just 1 battery, but you know, it is what it is. So just wanted to show that. Let's see here. This is a 12 volts. I gotta put it in here. Hang on a second. It's got a nice light. The bottom here gets a little bit in the way, but you know, better than nothing. So you know, those are the 4 settings. This part here, that's one thing I really liked about it. It's pretty smooth. You can hear it clicking, not clanking. So that's pretty nice. But I'll go over it a little more later. So I got the kit that comes with a 62-piece bundle here. So you can see it's got some what are these, glass and tile bits, so you don't want to go over 350 RPMs. We'll take a look at those. The right angle adapter, you also don't want to use that on the impact. So this is one of those notices that I guess they have on there now. So just make sure you don't do that, because then you may break it, and I read a lot of people doing that. But as long as you keep that in mind, I think it'll be okay. So let's look in there. Again, remember it's a 62 piece. So I'm going to basically count and go through everything you get in here. So you get some nice sockets. Right here you get metric up to 13 millimeters, and then you get the half, up to a half, the imperial here. Get a couple of the small bits, the right angle driver, a couple of spades for wood, I guess they call them. Get one of these puppies to drive screws in. And then you get 2 long screwdrivers, Phillips, and a flat. This I actually tried earlier, and they're really nice. They didn't. I had one screw that was pretty bad on the head, and this didn't strip. The screw did, so it held up pretty good. You get a quarter on this drill bit, 3/16, 1/8. And then these are the, if you look carefully, these are the concrete bits. You get a quarter size, 3/16, 5/32. That's one thing I didn't know what they were until I actually saw them. So these are regular drilling bits, and these are your I'm assuming concrete. You can just look at the difference on the tip there. The other bits you get are these. These are the tile glass bits that you're not supposed to go over 350. I'll give you a better idea here what they look like with the quarter hex end there. And here I have 3 small 1/4. This is what it looks like on the other side. That's a magnet. and this is a 3/5/16 and 3/8. So I'm guessing these are for the impact, driving out tough screws. The reason I think is for the impact, obviously, is because you can't put bits in there. I mean, the size, it's just obviously not the right size. The quarter does work, but even then it's kind of small. So you know, you drive some hard nuts out of there with these. Don't, you know, I guess you wouldn't want to drive it all the way out because it'll get stuck in there with that magnet. So that's just my assumption on that, since the manual doesn't tell you what those are, or any of them. Now here's a, what is this, 3/8 adapter. So that's pretty nice. All the sockets here are the small size, quarter size, and then you do get that right here. There it is, quarter size socket adapter. So you get this, which is nice. I like this other holder for your bits. This one doesn't adjust, it's just solid, so, but it's pretty nice. So if you don't want to use that, or you don't need that, which is pretty cool. Now this adapter, it's supposed to be for drywall screws, and as you can see, there's the bit, and this, the way it works is you actually can adjust it, you know, adjust it down like that, and then drive your screws. So I'm backing it all up, and I'll take these out so you can see the inside there.